How to redeem Popeyes Rewards Points for free food. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today with that any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Popeyes website. Here, make sure you're logged into your account. Then click on the points icon at the top right corner of your screen. And after you click on the points icon at the top right, you'll find this kind of screen. Here, click on the free icon. After you click on the free icon, you'll find all these options. Enjoy a regular size small drink or apple pie with a $5 minimum purchase. Now choose your reward and then press on add to bag. And after you do this, you can order other foods, and after you do this, you're good to go. This is how to redeem Popeyes reward points for free food. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.